again. So lately I have been going on a shopping spree on an app called Temu. It's a Chinese place where you can get stuff for very, very cheap. And I've had a habit of getting a lot of lights on there. Let me show you. So right here is the lights, and these are not just original lights. You walk by and they just turn off. So what they have is that it has these magnets, and then you just put this up here. Like that, it won't even go on anymore, but you do like that. So if you're walking at night, this section also have some, look, like that. So, and then we also have them all over our thing. The one thing I got here, hold on, let me turn this off. Let me show you guys. We also have some up here. So we can save money because at 4 p.m. it gets really expensive. So that's why we have them. If you guys are confused of what's happening, so today is 4th of July, and if you guys don't know, it's Independence Day again. Because I already did one a couple months ago, which I think it was last month. But the last year's video took it down by YouTube. I don't know why they just took it down. So I'm going to recreate that moment. But last time we actually went swimming. It's dark right now, so you can't see anything. But yeah, we're having pizza and watching Independence Day on TV. That's about it. And play with our cats. Okay, right here I got the Great Rat. I got the Great Value, the only non-brand I would use, because I don't use any non-brand except for Great Value at Walmart. Oh! Hi, doggy. We can't have pizza. You know what sucks about dogs? We can't have pizza. We got some 2 liters of crap. I just stepped on you, Mika. I feel like this is the only way to enjoy 4th of July today. Duh. Hi, puppies! You guys have been sleeping almost all day. You guys don't know what time it is. It's 4th of July. Hi, puppies. We're still watching Independence Day. Oh! I almost fell over you, Mika. Whoa! Oh my gosh. I kind of missed a few. Whoa! Oh! Look at that! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! 3 times the charm. Whoa! We're gonna go to bed. We're gonna go to bed hearing that. There goes all the birds. I can't believe I got that. Hi, Mika! Oh. I just had more Sprite. I can smell smoke. I can smell smoke. Are you scared? Yeah, there's goes all that birds. I wonder if I should be looking this way. Oh! Right here, I'm having the rest of the cheesecake. Our dogs are probably like, ugh. Oh my God! Oh my gosh. I can't believe I got that. Well, there goes all those birds. They're probably scared or something. Guys, whoa. I wonder where that comes from. Well, our neighbor's not popping anymore. So, we're here in our front yard, and, so we're right here, and, they're popping more fireworks out here. And I'm standing on this big rock right here, where it's like a weird rock pattern. Holy cow! What? Oh my gosh! They just keep popping! Oh my God! We're at the It just keeps going. Holy cow. I swear. That was big. Ah! Look! Oh, they did once or twice. They did 3 at one.
Yeah. Where'd it go?
Oh my gosh. Hi, brunette.
Where'd all those fireworks go?
I don't know. I think they would be back here.
There.
Yeah, they were doing it. My neighbors, oh my God, let's go. Come on, let's go, let's go. Where are they? I don't know where they went. Well, that is it for today's video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video.